Hey guys, welcome to Painted By. Today we are doing something special. We have two guests here, my daughter and her friend. You guys want to say hi?
Hi. Hi.
Hi guys. We're going to paint this darling, cute floral painting. Here is the supply list that you are going to need. Okay, let's get started. Get your brushes slightly wet. Just get them in the water and scrape them on the side. And we're going to do the whole background of your paper, our pink color. So go ahead and grab it and just start painting everywhere. You don't want to do it too thick because we need this layer to dry before we can do the flowers on top. I'm off camera, but our guest painters are the ones you're looking at right now, and they're watching me off camera. So you guys get full view of my students today. Good, looks good, looks good. So we're gonna let this dry before we move on to the next step. You guys can step away and let it dry, or you can grab a blow dryer and dry it that way. But come back and we will move on. Okay, you guys ready to move on? We're gonna grab our yellow color and we're just gonna do dots randomly around your canvas. Okay, change of plans. We are going to use Q-tips now, and we are going to make our dots with the Q-tips. Then we'll just get a little bit more even of a dot. Just make sure it's not too thick on the paper. Okay, so let's do the petals now. Let's do the petals. Grab a clean brush and we're gonna grab the white. And these are really, really simple. They're just, you come down from your dot, just like a stroke like that, okay? Around 3 for each, 3 or 4 or 2. That looks really good. Okay, I love it. Any of them that you want to go over again so that they're a little bit more opaque white, like thicker white. Okay, go ahead. If you're ready to work on the stems and the leaves, you can grab a green and just use a really light hand so that your stems are thin. They don't need to go straight down. They can kind of curve a little bit. Good. Get a little bit more paint on your brush. One trick to draw straight lines, don't look at where you're drawing, look where you want to draw. And you will draw a smoother line. And don't be afraid to just go at it. You can just get it down there. You don't need to worry about being perfect. Some of the stems can go up to the flowers, and some of them can just be stems that don't go anywhere. Do you guys need extra help in a certain area, or are you doing okay? Okay, and when you guys are ready, do a couple leaves coming off. Okay, I love them. Do you guys want to sit back for a second and look at it and see if there's anything you want to change or add? No. You're good? Okay. Nobody would know who these were painted by if you guys did not sign your names. So pick a spot on the side or corner or bottom and just write. You can do your initials or your first name or just your last name. Try to do it not on a wet part. They look really good, guys. I love that they each have your own style. And I'm so glad that you both painted with me today and everybody watching. Thanks, guys. See you. Bye.